Pickup time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1949 International KB2 pickup. A little more modern drivetrain in this one now than it would have been produced with back in 49. 289 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. So we take a look at the front grille. Chrome and bright work. You can see it's got that patina look, shows its age some here and there. But a fun truck to get into, go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Take a look at the still pictures. Take your time looking through it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Just a cool, natural aging process to this finish, obviously over time. Take a look at these cab corners. Of course, running boards. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the condition of this box. I mean, as far as solid, not full of holes. Very cool older truck. Now, the blinkers are incorporated down in this lower bumper. It does have blinkers in the front and the rear. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. So we take a look at the driver's side. A little battle scar back here in the fender. But again, look at this cab corner. Front blinkers, we were talking about that earlier. Those are incorporated right here, and they are working. It does have a wiper that works in the driver's side. I'll show you where the switch for that is in a second. Let's take a look at the interior. You can kind of see some floor pans been replaced and welded in down here. And of course that shifter for the automatic transmission mounted. Seats kind of with a almost like a burlap or a canvas covering to it. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Switch for the wiper on the driver's side right there. So we have a turnkey process on the right side here. Push button down underneath here. Let it warm up just a tad bit here. Nice sounding truck. V8 underneath the hood. Door closes nice. Listen to that. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open, check out this engine, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood open. Check out this. Nice fit. That 289 under there. Looks good. And again, smooth running V8. The still pictures, you'll be able to see a close-up of the data plate back there. And undersides, interior, the whole truck from every angle. Pretty cool. 1949 International KB2 patina pickup truck. 289 automatic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call in or email.